guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video featuring Klaiyi hair. If you guys check the info section below, I have all the details and information, links all provided there, as well as a discount code. So in case you guys are interested in this wig or anything else that Klaiyi sells, use discount code MY28 to save 28% off of your purchases. So here's everything that came with my wig. You may not get the same thing that I have, so you may want to check with the company just in case. Here's the wig that I have. I picked up their balayage highlighted ombre V-part wig, and this is what it looks like. My wig is 24 inches long. It's 150% density, and this is what it looks like. Now Klaiyi is having their super sale, so in case you guys want to save even more money off of anything that you want from their website, be sure to take advantage of this sale. Once again, everything will be located in the info section below. So I'm going to go ahead and get this wig on. I am not going to be blending my hair in with this wig. I kind of thought about it, but I said, girl, no, we're not about to do that. No, we're not about to figure this out. The last time I did that, my hair shriveled up and puffed up. It was a whole mess. So we're going to be doing the crochet method. Now, I will link a video that Alicia did. Her video is a little more detailed and it really kind of breaks everything down. I am just sort of doing it very quickly. So in case you guys are picking up what I'm doing, I'll be sure to link her video in the cards above as well as in the links below. But I am just applying the V part along the outer 2 braids. So I have a total of 4 braids on top where I'm going to be working with. So I'm just applying those combs in the 2 outer braids. And now I'm just going to go ahead and crochet the hair from the wig around my braid to cover up that track that goes along the V-part wig. If that makes any sense at all. I don't really know how to explain this, but you guys probably seen this process done time after time before, and you guys can just kind of pay attention to what I am doing. It kind of makes sense if you were like a visual. But once again, I am just crocheting the hair from the wig, and I'm pulling it under my braid and pulling it over it to cover up that small little track that's around the V part.
Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that? Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be.
So this is what it's looking like. I didn't have to pull out any hair. You don't notice that little track sticking out. Everything looks good. So we're going to go ahead and move on. So when you're doing the crochet method, especially with textured hair, it's going to get frizzy. So definitely keep like a product or a bottle of water near you so you can go ahead and tame that frizz. I'm just using a little bit of water and a little conditioner to help redefine those curls, and you guys see how easily this hair comes back together. I'm going to cut a little bit of the hair along the front just to create like a layer so that way it frames my face a little better.
Me na pillow one, say she give me filler one. Say let me the villa one, say she give me film one. Mara one, say she give me for me your sit. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel love my fantasy.
So I decided to leave it a little wet just to kind of give you guys a wet look, and this is what it looks like. I'm wearing it in the middle part position, but I'm going to give you guys another little option so you guys can see exactly how you can wear your V-part wig in case you guys pick this one up. I am loving the color. I love the fact that the roots are dark, so it looks really realistic, as if I just, you know, put a little bit of bleach on my hair. And that's the look that it's giving, especially along the part area. It just looks like it's coming straight from my scalp. So I went ahead and took the wig off, and I repositioned this wig into the side part position. And if you guys want to know exactly how to remove this wig from being crocheted down, I'll be sure to link Alicia's video once again in the cards above, as well as the links below. She did get very much in detail when it came down to installing and uninstalling her wig. So once again, you guys be sure to check out her video. But essentially, I'm doing the same thing that I did in the middle part position. I'm going to go ahead and crochet this wig on down to my braids, and I'll see you guys once I'm done with that.
I mean my feelings, Batman me and my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man,
So when crocheting this wig down, just because it was a little wet, it does get tangly, so you guys be sure to go through it with a comb. I'm just reapplying some water to once again redefine this hair. This hair loves product, so if you guys really want this hair to redefine and you want those curls to pop, definitely apply a little conditioner and water. You'll thank me later. But this is what it looks like completely wet. I thought about giving you guys another wet look, but then I was like, you know what? I think I want some volume. I just want, I want some body with this hair. So I'm just using my diffuser, and I'm just going to dry this hair.
pass me the Hennessy. Let me tell you what I see. It is written.
Okay, you guys, so this is what this wig is looking like now in the side part position. You guys get into the volume, get into the texture. I love this wig in the side part position. I really love the volume that I was able to achieve. It's super soft. Doesn't feel dry whatsoever at all, especially if you're using a nice moisturizing product. You guys get into it. It looks so realistic once you do the crochet method. You don't have to worry about pulling out any hair. You don't have to worry about it looking unrealistic around the parting space. You guys just get into it. Now once again, you guys check out Klaiyi hair, and I'll have all the information located in the info section below. Use discount code MY28 to save an additional 28% off of your purchases. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Love you guys.